Again, we're making another slime because we feel like it. But next video is going to be our bike ride. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
First, we added the glue.
The shaving cream too.
No, the glue.
Yeah.
School glue.
We did the leftover from yesterday. I didn't put all of it if you saw our last video.
And then there's shaving cream.
And then we need water. So
I'll get it.
to make the resolution. Okay. And then you just have to
mix.
yeah. So Breeze is gonna go get that, I guess. And I'm gonna put some of the dye in, so I'll be right back. Okay.
We got the food coloring.
It was inside you. Oh, I don't
So
know if
I'm
you
gonna
put it.
mix it with this broken pencil.
That it broke when I got mad at someone that called me Dora the Explorer. I did. And I'm gonna get some red in there, so if you could put it closer to the camera. Which I hope turns pinkish. Because I want pink slime. Because I love the color pink. I love the color yellow and pink. I only like baby blue and mint green. I still didn't change since I was little. Okay, I just poured in some of this activator, which I'm gonna add a little bit more. And there we go. Yeah, exactly. Just going away from the camera. And this is the slime for right now.
And then we're gonna add some sparkles.
And
Gonna add some sparkles.
yes, you already said that. Wait. Okay.
There's a
So,
dark blue.
Here's a slime, by the way.
There's a dark blue, dark purple, like lightish blue, and a light pink.
Okay, so, because this is a pink slime, and when I was little, I used to play with crayons as my stick figures, and I thought that pink and blue were girlfriend and boyfriend. I'm going to add a bit of blue. Okay.
So here it is. It's very.
Oh yeah, Sayuri's with us now. Put it back down.
If you're watching, you can take off the lid. If it
Oh
doesn't
yeah, I
fall
play
good.
with
Yeah.
crayons too. And then purple was like a girl with so like blue
Yeah, exactly.
as well.
And we were really weird when we were little. And this is a slime. And yeah.
This is very fun. It's very fun to make slime.
Okay, so we're gonna give
All
you a
need
close
is
up
1, 2, 3,
of the slime.
4, and 5. You just need 5 ingredients, but food coloring you can get 7. And for sparkles, just for decorate. You don't have to.
And my nails are super long. So
It's very
We're gonna
fun
give
to
a moment
play.
of silence so y'all can hear how it sounds like. My hands, by the way.
and I made a little bit of slime.
Can you make it more
If it's not really stretchy that much, you have to put more glue.
pair with this?
Here is the slime then. Oh, Breeze interrupts that.
The song.
Well. Bye. I'm leaving.
See you in the bike ride.